Hello guys, this is Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we will see how you can style your oversized loose clothes without being uncomfortable and clumsy. So without doing further ado, let's get started. So my first piece of clothing is oversized tee. So tee is basically underrated piece of clothing in everyone's closet, right? So when you are wearing oversized tee, pair it with tight fitted denim or baggy jeans, so it will give you overall and casual look. Also here I am mostly focusing on clothing, so I will pair it with comfy and casual shoes. So try tuck in your tee, like you can try front tuck in or you can try full tuck in, so it will give you a casual look. Secondly, you can use jacket on top of it to make it more dressed up. Also, you can tie your jacket around your waist, so it will give you a casual look. Also, you can add blazer if you want to make it more office look. If you are not comfortable with tuck in, you can use belt as a prop, so it will make you look less baggy and shaggy. Also, you can accessorize up, accessorize down as you are comfortable and as per your choice. My second piece of clothing is loose shirt. For shirt, I have already uploaded a video in which I have shared few tips and tricks about how you can dress up your basic clothes without doing so much of effort. So if you haven't checked it, go check it out. I will link in description box below. If you want your look to be less baggy, you can always try front knot. So it will give you a proper shape to your body. Also, you can try to button up your shirt and you can tuck in your shirt, or you can mismatch your buttons and you can tuck in your shirt, so it will give you an office kind look. My third piece of cloth is a loose top. You can use the front tuck in technique for this also, as I said for tee, or you can use belt to make it look less baggy, as I said previously. Belt is an accessory which go very hand in hand if you want to make your loose oversized cloth look it fit, so it will give you a body hugging effect without making it alter or without making it stitch. My fourth piece of cloth is loose kurta. Here I will add dresses as well, cause tips for both are similar and I don't want to waste your time. So you can use belt, like I said. It is very handy when it comes to make your clothes look less baggy and make you feel tight. Also, you can try using blazer on top of kurta, so it will make you stand out of the crowd if you want to make a statement styling. Here we come to the end of this video, guys. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, share this video and comment down happy comments below. Also subscribe to my channel for more such video. Until then, stay happy and bye.
Do you want to know?